Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to go over the PM session Silver Bullet on July 19th. Now, in a recording previously, ICT said that he looks for the 12 o'clock to 1:30, the high or the low of that session range to be taken out in the PM session. And if a high is taken out, he'll look for a reversal to take out the other side. Likewise, if the low has been taken out, he'll look for a reversal pattern to go target the other opposing side, the high side. Okay, so on this right now, that is the 12 lunch hour to 1:30 high and the low. Okay, and I just extended these lines here to show you what we're going. We're doing this candle by candle, and I'm going to buy and sell just like I would if we were taking a trade. Okay. So let's get started. Okay. Well, that just took out sell side right there. Just extending this line here so you can see that sell side's been taken right there. Okay. So the little arrow means right there. So now we're looking to see what if we get a reversal pattern or if it's just continuation, what's going on. Okay, there's a swing high. Let's see if it creates a new low. All these relatively equal lows right there are all even. Right there, they just get broken. Okay. So right now I'd be looking for this to be the swing high to get broken for a market structure shift. So why not this one? I mean, this is the one candle that broke in high and low. I would like to actually see this one. You technically can use either one. It's up to you. See, so let's say you use this one instead, this swing high right here, as your market structure shift. Okay? Well, there's no fair value gap here, right? So it doesn't really matter. Okay? And that candle right there broke that anyway, so you have a market structure shift right there anyway. So still doesn't really matter. It's a moot point whether you want to use this one or this one. It doesn't really matter. You trade your way however it makes you feel comfortable, and that's all you need to do. But there is a fair value gap now here that we need to mark out, because if trade comes in here, I'm going to buy 2 contracts. Oh, yeah. Oh, okay. So I'm buying 2 contracts, and they're going all the way up here, but we would have got in right down here. So I'm going to mark this as a buy, and I'll mark it where I actually would have been right here, not where it actually put me, but where I actually would have gotten in. So you see what we're looking for. Our drawn liquidity would be right here, and my stop has to go below the first candle, the 3 candle pattern. So that's 1 tick above, 1 tick below, right there. So I'm aiming for 1 to 3 basically here on this. That's the swing high that I'd like to see broken. Where would I take partials? I'd take partials right about here. Now if I did that, that's going to be right about 5.5 handles. So just showing you what I'm aiming for here. We'll see how this goes. I did buy 2, so let me change this to 1 so I can take my partials if it gets there. Now when it hits the partials, if it does, I'm going to be moving my stop to break even. Okay, so that's looking good. Okay, stop. Okay, so we're going to sell 1 contract there. We're also going to make my trailing stop. So now our stop would be break. I'll just put it right here like this. Let's move this so it's not so big. Here's my trailing stop. So now this is basically even, but I'm just going to leave it to where it was before. So you see. And I have 1 contract left, and we're seeing where it goes. Okay. And I'm so close there, I'd move my stop up to just above this fair value gap right here. I wouldn't want to see that getting traded into, so I'd put it right there. And we can take it out anywhere right there, so let's flatten. Okay. Let's see how the rest of the hour played out. Now I want to show you something. This dotted line, dark dashed line, is the 1:30 opening price, the PM session opening price. And I want to show you that this right here is an order block. Oops. Right there. Okay. There's an order block in line with the opening price, right? So if we were still going, I mean, we got all of this. So when ICT says we look for reversal, we're still got a lot of ways to go here. So we didn't have to get out here, but if I wanted to add another position or maybe take a second trade, you could have got in again here using the order blocks, okay? Why not? Why this one? Why not this one? That's a down close candle, and that's a down close candle. Well, this one's lower, so I take the lower one. That's just for me. That's what I'm doing. So if it came back in, I'll take another trade. Okay. Well, this time I'll still buy two. Why not? Buy a second one. There. This is not planned here, so let's say this one. Let's put our thing right here. Where would our stop go? Well, it should be below the candle there, but that's only one. So let's go below this volume imbalance there. Let's move this out of the way. And let's target, well, let's go 1 to 2 at least. Let's target 3 again. All right, there's 3. So I'm targeting basically this right here. This fair value, top of this fair value gap. This fair value gap right here, I'm targeting the top. That's what I'm aiming for right now for this. Let's see, and I'll take my partials somewhere in this range right here. Let's move this to 1. And once it crosses up, close above here, I'm going to take a partial. I'd say that's about 60%, wouldn't you? So we'll sell one there. My stop now would have been right there, break even. Okay. At this point, let's use this as a marker for bullish order blocks, right? You got one here, it's respected. Right there, it's respected. Right there, it's respected. So I'm going to go, right in here. I'll probably go to this fair value gap right here. Move my stop right there. Right? I hate this thing. Okay. See how this goes. Alright, flatten that right there. Okay, let's move this out of here. Alright, there's your 2 Silver Bullet trade setups for July 19th. We had a market structure shift here after we took off sell side liquidity. We got into fair value gap. We aimed for a high that gave us a 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio. We got in there. We saw that order blocks were being respected, so we took another trade setup here and aimed for, just 1 to 3 again. Still not the total range. Still expecting this high to be taken. And we managed our trade based on bullish order blocks respecting price. And took our trade and we got our target TP. So that's our 2 trade setups. Let me take these off so you can see the positions.